this is the sweet cucumber. In Japan they use lots of that kind of sweet cucumber. But in the Europe and the Portugal, we use normal cucumber. It's a sweet cucumber. And now we can make a slice for the sushi decorations. Let's see. Okay. First of all, we will cut 3 pieces. Now I will take out these ones. And now I will take out these ones as well. This is for the garbage. Let's see, okay. Now it's happened like this. This leg I can keep so that I can use for in the busy time I can use. Okay, let's see. Now I'll make a little bit different. Let's see. Yeah, I want to make a little bit different. Let's see. I'll cut from the middle. Then I'll take out the just little bit skins of the cucumber. I took out these ones. Now it happens like this. Yeah. Now I'll cut from this side. Let's see the difference. Now it's like here. That is the different little bit. And I'm gonna cut this like this way. Now good, yeah. Putting this pepper, and you can use like if you make tomorrow today you can make lots of leg and slices for the cucumber for the sushi, and tomorrow you can use because in the busy time we can make every time, we cannot make the legs. So now it's time I'll put a little bit water here. Now I'll put in the fridge.